Hi, you are looking at a kitchen made with white shaker cabinets with pewter square bar pulls. Pulls are designed by Celeste Designs. Thickness is 1/2 inch. Pewter has a charcoal gray looking finish. Other colors available are brush nickel, glossy, oil rub bronze, champagne gold, rose gold, and copper. Available sizes are 3 3/4 of an inch, 5, 8, 10, 12, 18, and 24 inch.